10 years in the salt will eat most machines alive, but this old beast is still holding its shape.
This is significantly worse than we estimated. Requesting immediate extraction.
Easy does it. Watch the fingers. Pull left. Easy now. Got it. Swinging clear.
Watch the starboard side.
Clear the load.
We'll have to graft a new section of sea channel here.
Look at this pitting. It's deeper than I thought.
The gears are the heart. If they're gone, the whole machine is just scrap metal.
.75 inches exactly. Get the torch ready.
Come on, give it up.
She's locked solid.
We're gonna have to plug and re-drill these. Air is the enemy now. The moment it hits the oxygen, the corrosion rate triples. Okay, she's settled. Get the readings on the stress points immediately. Watch your step in the muck. Watch the swing, easy now.
Copy that. Slowing the ascent. Keep it clear of the hull.
Tension steady at 5 tons.
She's toast. Call the shop in Houston.
Copy that. Marking coordinates.
In this business, if it doesn't turn, you break it. We'll drill out the remains later.
Hey, found a tool in here.
Tack! Tack! Check the level if she's off a hair.
This is a mess, Miller.
In this business, if it doesn't turn, you break it. We'll drill out the remains later.
Hey, found a tool in here.
Tack! Tack! Check the level if she's off a hair.
This is a mess, Miller.